Hello friends, this is my nature walk. I'm sitting on this, I'll turn it around. Turn it around. I'm sitting on this big rock. You guys can hear the beautiful waterfall. It's not really a waterfall, but it's just water. Sounds like a waterfall. But this is my favorite place to go. So beautiful. I can stay out here for hours. My phone is actually dying, so I'm trying to turn it around, but it does not want to turn around. But I'll show you the big rock I was sitting on. I was sitting on this big rock and watching the beautiful water. Do you hear that? Very peaceful. You can see Jasmine fell asleep. She's sleeping nice and peacefully. Alright, this is just a quick video, just so you guys can hear nice and peaceful. Alright. I'm going to do another video shortly. Alright. Everybody enjoy their day. Bye.